So this video may be a shock to a lot of you, especially to those who think YouTubers make a certain amount of money. Now I'm going to prove to you that this is way off. Let me show you. Now this is a website called SocialBlade where it gives an estimate of how much YouTubers are making. So I went to my account here, and as you can see, passive income lifestyles, you can see that it says that I earn $187 per month on the high end, or $12 on the low end, and then yearly about $2,000 per month. Now the real question is this actually accurate to how much my channel is actually making? Another question is this even how much my overall YouTube channel in business is making, or am I making more than this? Will this even give me an accurate representation of how my channel or any channel is doing overall? Well, in this video, I'm gonna answer all those questions, but more importantly, I wanna show you my top videos that paid me the most in May of 2021, but I'm gonna show you my top videos for the year. I'm also gonna show you how much YouTube paid me per 1,000 views. I'm also gonna show you some of the highest paying niches on YouTube and how you can tap into that to start making an insane amount of YouTube ad revenue. But more importantly, how can we use YouTube to blow up our business, whether it's a coaching business, you have a consulting business, an affiliate business. I wanna show you exactly how to tie this all together. Hey, what's up you guys? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how to start a six-figure online business, and the main goal of my channel is to show you how I was able to go from an electrical engineer to full-time online marketer within 9 months of starting my online business. Guys, I was literally sick and tired of my day job, and I decided to go all in with my online business. So if you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Hit the like button down below, comment down below, hit the notification bell, and subscribe, guys. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Let's get into this. Alrighty guys, so I'm just gonna dive right into my analytics. I know you guys wanna see exactly how much I'm making, and is SocialBlade even accurate? So this is what SocialBlade says, or it says I'm making $180 per month, and that's on the high end estimate, okay? Now if we go to in the month of May, okay, and you can see this is actually my highest paid month ever as far as YouTube ad revenue. You can see I made over $2,300. So this is like 10 times as much as SocialBlade is telling me, okay? So definitely not accurate. And as you can see here, a playback CPM of $98, which is absolutely insane, okay? I think the average is anywhere between $2 to $7, okay? And that's the reason why this is not accurate, okay? Because what SocialBlade is doing is they're actually taking the average of all YouTube channels and they're kind of clumping them all with this software, okay? So it totally makes sense, right? So I'm on the higher range spectrum, higher range niche, because if you think about it, my channel is all about how to make money online, how to build an online business. So advertisers are willing to spend more money on my channel. Now guys, if you've been following me for a while, you guys know that this is not how I make my real money. I mean, this is a nice income, right? $2,000 extra a month is a lot of money. And you know, I think a lot of people focus on YouTube ad revenue when they're first starting out, right? It's a nice piece of income, but I'm gonna show you how to make real money throughout this whole video using YouTube, okay? When I see people on the street, I don't tell them I'm a YouTuber. I tell them I'm an online digital marketer, affiliate marketer, but I use YouTube to leverage it. I leverage the platform to build my online business, right? It's the main difference between like a YouTuber that's just posting videos and a real serious entrepreneur and business owner. So I'm gonna show you exactly how you can leverage YouTube to essentially blow up your business, guys. I was able to use YouTube to start a six-figure online business without even hitting 1,000 subscribers. So I'm gonna show you how to leverage this extremely powerful platform. Now guys, I do wanna show you my top videos during this period because it's gonna really help you as you start creating content, especially if you're in the same niche as me, which is affiliate marketing and make money online. Now, this is the overall revenue in May, but I wanna go through and show you my top videos here. And as you can see here, this is my top video here. I almost made $200 here, and I don't have very many views on this video. As you can see, only 1.7 thousand views. But I'm gonna go to revenue tab over here because I wanna show you a few things that is gonna blow your mind, okay? So only, you know, almost 2,000 views, you know, $195. Now, these numbers, I wanna kind of talk about, okay? Because these are really important numbers to understand. So there's RPM, which stands for revenue per 1,000 views, okay? So what that means is how much you're making per 1,000 views, right? So it would make sense that it's $195 for this video, okay? So this is how much basically you care about as a YouTube creator because this is how much you're gonna make, okay? Now this is an insane number, okay, because this is talking about me making my first $50,000 a month, one of those videos that people just want to see, and advertisers are willing to put a lot of ads in this type of video, okay? They know the type of audience that is going to watch this video are typically buyers, okay? Now, a quick thing I want to go over is the CPM, okay? This is something I talk about a lot, but basically it stands for cost per 1,000 views, again, but what this means is how much advertisers are paying to show up on this video, okay? So typically YouTube will take their cut, and then that's what RPM means. So that's the top video in May. I actually want to go back and show you another one that is a little bit different, okay? So remember that one was 1.7 thousand views. Now I do want to show you my second video here. This one here has an RPM of $97 and a CPM of 158. So obviously the numbers are kind of different for every single video, and it really just depends, okay? But you can see here I'm talking about making money with TikTok. This one $164, okay? So these are my top videos. I think this is really going to help as like you start creating content. I just want to show you kind of all my top videos in May, okay? So this one right here, I made my first $50,000, my TikTok affiliate marketing video, get my white label funnel program, how to promote multiple affiliate links, right? These are all high paying videos, right? As you can see here, the CPMs vary, right? But now this is what's kind of interesting here, okay? Now you can see this video here has a CPM of $278, okay? Which is just insane, right? But my estimated revenue is only $79, okay? So why is that? So the reason is because I got less views on this one, right? I got less views, but my estimate or my RPM was actually higher during this range here, okay? Now overall, this is overall, but in May it was higher. And I have no idea why. Maybe advertisers wanted to put more money at this time. Things on YouTube are just crazy, but anything talking about emails, funnels, affiliate marketing are typically going to pay a lot more. Now, one thing to know is all my videos will average between 1,000 and 10,000 views, which is nothing compared to some YouTubers like Mr. Beast or PewDiePie, right? But I'm not really worried about that, right? Because those videos are more viral type videos, maybe vlog style, that appears or that will go out to a broader audience, right? The reason why I make more money as far as YouTube ad revenue, like per 1,000 views, is because advertisers are willing to pay more because of my targeted audience. Yes, I may not have thousands and millions of views, but they know that my audience is very, very targeted, right? If they're watching one of my videos on email marketing and they have an email marketing offer, they're willing to pay a lot more, right? Whether, they're not going to go to a Mr. Beast channel and, put their email marketing business to them because it's going to be a very broad audience and they're not going to be interested in it. So fortunately, I'm in a niche that pays me very high. Another niche that pays very high is cryptocurrency, business, finance, stocks, affiliate marketing, making money online, health and fitness. Those are all niches that pay a lot of money because advertisers know that that's a hot market and people are willing to spend high ticket on those types of videos. Now, all that being said, I do want to reveal how much I made in 2021 so far on my YouTube ad revenue, but more importantly, I want to show you how much I'm making in my online business because at the end of the day, I'm using YouTube to build a brand of people that know, like, and trust me. And for me, I sell affiliate products, courses, softwares that I recommend, and that's where the real money lies, okay? I would say YouTube ad revenue is between 5 and 10% of my real income, probably a lot less. But with that being said, let me show you exactly how much I've done so far in 2021. All right, here it is, guys. So you can see in 2021, over $10,000 using YouTube ad revenue, right? So that's a lot of money, right? I mean, $10,000 extra a year can change someone's life, right? But why stop there? Why just stop with YouTube ad revenue? Guys, I make so much more money on product courses, on affiliate offers, on high ticket affiliate products. And all I do is I create very valuable content that is specifically talking to a certain customer, and I know their problem in mind, so I have a solution to their problem, whether it's an affiliate offer, whether it's one of my courses, whether it's a software that I promote. So let me show you here. This is my Stripe account. As you can see, year to date, right, over $256,000 that I've made so far in my business. This is all with using YouTube and building that strong business and brand, okay? Here's another one here. This is ClickFunnels. It's a software. It's a tool that I recommend. As you can see here, in the last month or so, $4,000. In the whole year, I want to say about $15,000. I need to do the actual math here. I know this year has been the biggest year for ClickFunnels affiliate promotions. So guys, I make so much more money with the products, with the courses, affiliate products, and you know, YouTube ad revenue is great, but I want to show you exactly how you can build a very strong YouTube business and how to potentially build a six-figure business using YouTube. Now guys, I want to be extremely clear with you, okay? I was able to hit six figures with my YouTube channel in my business in general before I even had 1,000 subscribers. I know that sounds insanely crazy, but this is all I'm doing, okay? I'm using YouTube and driving people to an email list, and I built a relationship with that email list to sell products I recommend, affiliate softwares, courses, mentoring. And I think if you guys understood this process, it can become extremely powerful, and not just look at YouTube as the vanity metrics, right? Like, oh, you know, this guy has 100,000 views, he's probably super rich, right? Guys, I know YouTubers that have thousands, hundreds of thousands of views, and I'm making way more money than them, okay? And I don't say that to brag at all, okay? I'm saying that we want to be using YouTube to build our business and brand. Of course, if that's not what you want to do, then that's totally okay. But this channel is all about making money online, more specifically, how you can build that business with affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn exactly how I built my six-figure business, more specifically by leveraging YouTube, I have a 3-day challenge that's gonna walk you through how to set up the ecosystem before you even start creating the YouTube content. If you guys wanna learn exactly how to do that, click in the link down below. It's gonna take you to my 3-day challenge, which I just revamped, guys. It's got a ton of additions to it. There's a copy and paste funnel in ebook that you can tap into to make this whole process so much easier. Thank you guys so much for watching this video on YouTube and how much YouTube pays me. If there's any questions at all, leave them down below in the comments section. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I'm coming out with the best content on affiliate marketing, guys. I want to give you the best value I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless.